Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss the program number or practical number 16. So today's program is write a program in Python using the function to count the lowercase characters in the file hello.txt. So hello.txt is the file which I have created in my desktop. So inside that file I have written something. Okay. So all I have to do, I have to read that file and I have to count the number of lowercase vowels. So over here I am defining the function vowel, and in the next line this is the file object, and by using the open function, this is the path of the file. I am opening the file hello.txt in read mode. Over here I have created a variable and initialize the variable with 0. And again I am reading using the read function and keeping the data inside X. Over here I am using a loop. If I in AEIOU, this is I am checking whether there is any lowercase vowel. So AEIOU, if that exists, the count will be increased by 1. Next, in the next line, print total characters, and I will print the total number of count. After performing all the operations, I will just close the file, and over here I am just calling the function. I am defining the function vowel. Over here I am just calling the function. So I have already written the program. Run module, save. There are total characters are 17. So all you have to do, you have to write the program on the right side of the copy and the output on the left side. Thank you. See you in the next practical class.